And today we've got a rear wing spoiler like no other, vz101483. The Vicrez RB style carbon fiber rear wing spoiler for your Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, and Toyota 86. This 7-piece rear wing spoiler was made to fit all 3 of these make and models, specifically those that were manufactured during the 2013 to 2017 production years. And with an OEM fit, this rear wing spoiler not only provides you with an edgy, aggressive, and one-of-a-kind design, but also a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. Now, surely you'll be pleased to find that this rear wing spoiler is not just an aesthetic upgrade, but also purposeful, helping you to achieve maximum weight reduction without compromise, as our carbon fiber products are ultra lightweight and extremely durable. Since the function of this spoiler is to disrupt the airflow passing over and around a moving vehicle, it's no surprise to find that they also reduce lift without adding any additional weight to the car. This can help keep the car more stable at higher speeds and help to improve traction without affecting its overall performance. Now, these are optimal aerodynamic devices that were designed to function within the automotive industry to literally spoil unfavorable air movement across the body of a vehicle in motion, which is known also as generating turbulence or drag. Designed to push your car down and keep all tires on the ground, the most important benefit is preventing aerodynamic lift here. Or as I've said before, eliminating that invisible force that wants to pull your car off the ground and off the road. And these advantages can be seen readily upon completing installation successfully. Instead of having a heavy car which is slow or having a very light car which can easily slide around, you now have a car that sticks better the faster it goes. Now, the best part is that a well-designed spoiler will continually generate consistent downforce, meaning that on average, a rear spoiler will be able to produce as much as or more than 8 pounds of downforce for every 1 pound of generated drag or lift. And although this carbon fiber rear wing spoiler is both visually pleasing and seemingly universal, Vicrez would like to ask that you please test fit all carbon fiber products before installing or modifying in any way. And carbon fiber requires specialized skills to properly install. So Vicrez would like to advise installation by an accredited automotive body shop before DIY installation. And as always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you hit that like button below and head over to our channel to subscribe. If you're looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight over to your inbox, head over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.